everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of front-end development. What is a front-end developer? What do they do? And why is it such a sought-after skill in tech? A front-end developer is responsible for creating the part of the website or application that users interact with. They turn designs and ideas into a reality using code like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The core skills every front-end developer needs are HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. Beyond that, they often work with libraries like React or frameworks like Angular to build complex user interfaces. A typical day for a front-end developer includes building new components, fixing bugs, optimizing website performance, and collaborating with back-end developers and designers to deliver the best user experience. Front-end development offers diverse opportunities. You could work at top tech companies, join startups, or even freelance and work remotely. With the growing demand for web and mobile apps, front-end developers are always in demand. If you're interested in starting out, my advice